Tonight I'm going to show you how to make a super simple weeknight meal on the Blackstone. Griddle over medium-low heat, 2 cups of diced pepperoni, ham, and salami. We're going to cook this just for about 2 minutes. I have some minced garlic, but for a super simple weeknight meal, just use garlic powder. So Blackstone Tuscan herb and some Italian dressing. It smells amazing. So good. Hello, Batman. Jesus. Off to the side. And we're gonna build our quesadillas. I'm gonna do 2, but you could easily make 4 or even 6 on here. Beautiful. Throw the cheese on one side, some banana peppers, and then transfer all of the meat. More cheese. We'll fold the empty side over the filled side. Blackstone Italian quesadillas.